Greetings. We are Raftar Formula Racing, the Formula student team of IIT Madras, the institute that's been ranked the best in the nation for the last 4 years. We were established in 2012 by a group of engineers working out of a small garage aiming to build the world's fastest combustion vehicle. Since then, we've established ourselves as the best in the nation by setting the world record for fuel efficiency and having one of the lightest student prototype vehicles in the nation due to our extensive use of composite materials. We are also the only team in India to have won the Formula Bharat title 3 times in a row, cementing our legacy as one of the best teams in the combustion category.
After dominating the IC engine category for 8 years, we decided to shift to an electric powertrain, keeping in mind the global trend of sustainable development. After major disruptions caused by COVID-19, we are back now and stronger than ever. We have our first electric car ready and it promises to be our fastest yet, clocking 0 to 100 km per hour in about 4 seconds. As a research-oriented team, we are always working on cutting-edge technology and always looking to innovate and influence the electric vehicle industry. Batteries have often caused a fear of causing explosions. To mitigate against this, we have developed our very own custom battery management system. We have also developed a deep learning-based battery SOC estimation model and an indigenously developed electronic control unit, which is based on the Shakti processor, which was gifted to us by Director Kamakoti to implement many other additional safety features.
After thoroughly testing out our first electric vehicle, we plan on making a swift transition into the driverless category to tap into the boundless potential of autonomous technology. Our focus will be on developing cloud storage and processing, which will enable the seamless conversion of modern-day electric vehicles into the driverless vehicles of tomorrow. We plan to take up the challenge of developing energy-efficient and safe autonomous technology for the future of Indian transportation.